Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The Honorable Governor will be undertaking field visits to these institutions. And these visits will be starting from next week, and it will continue throughout the month of October and November. He will be visiting these institutions and he will be interacting with the inmates of these institutions and the in charges to understand their problems and issues. For dialysis, we have received 31 applications so far. And we are still, the people are making inquiries and all still. I mean, they are still in the process of. And the institutions? Institutions are 29 institutions. This time also we have planted more than 500 fruit growing saplings, and we conducted also a Vana Mahotsav with Honorable Governor and other dignitaries. So as part of this entire initiative of plantation, we are going to plant now on 12th of October 71 jackfruit saplings. The speciality about this jackfruit sapling is that it's going to be an imported variety from Vietnam, and we have been told by this organization which is arranging this program for us, it's called as the Green World, Clean World Initiative. So these people will be with us, and Honorable Governor will be undertaking this plantation of 71 jackfruit trees, and we understand that the fruits are born within a period of 1 year in this jack. So it's something we want to start it in Goa with Raj Bhavan, and probably it will may spread to the rest of Goa.